59% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency without going into debt. 59%. But in the next 90 days, you are not going to be one of them. I'm going to hand you the exact system to go from zero to your first $1,000, even if money feels tight right now. Let's build it. Here's the plan in 3 simple steps. Step 1, a 3-account system that makes saving almost automatic, so you don't rely on willpower. Step 2, where to cut spending without making your life miserable, no ramen and suffering required. And Step 3, exactly where to park this money so it actually grows while it sits. Quick note, I'm not a financial advisor, this is for education. But follow these 3 steps, and $1,000 in 90 days is very doable. Let's get into it. Step 1, the 3-account system. This is the secret that separates people who save from people who always mean to. Willpower fails. Systems don't. So we build a structure that does the work for you. Account 1 is your spending account. This is your everyday checking account, where your paycheck lands and where your bills and normal spending come out. Nothing fancy. This is the money you actually live on. Account 2 is your bills account, and this one's optional but powerful. The idea is to separate the money for your fixed bills, rent, utilities, subscriptions, from your fun money spending, so you never accidentally spend your rent. Even just being aware of this split changes behavior. Account 3, and this is the star of the show, is your savings account. This is a separate account, ideally at a different bank than your checking, specifically a high-yield savings account. Why separate and why a different bank? Because friction is your friend here. If your savings is one tap away in the same app as you're spending money, you'll rate it. If it takes a day to transfer back, you'll leave it alone. Out of sight, out of mind, safely growing. Now here's how the system actually works. The magic move is automation. You set up an automatic transfer from your spending account into your savings account the day after each payday. Pay yourself first, before the money has a chance to disappear. To hit $1,000 in 90 days, you need about $80 a week, or roughly $11 a day. Break it down and it stops feeling impossible. $80 a week. If that's too much at the start, begin with $40 and ramp up as you free up cash in Step 2. The reason this works is behavioral. When saving is automatic, you're not making a hard decision every week, the decision is already made. You just live on what's left, and your $1,000 quietly builds itself in the background. Set the system up once, and it runs on autopilot for the full 90 days. Step 2, finding the money, without making your life miserable. Forget the tired advice about never buying coffee again. We're going to find $80 a week in ways you'll barely feel. And the trick is to start with the big, painless wins before you touch the small joys. First, subscriptions. This is the easiest money you'll ever find. Pull up your bank statement and list every recurring charge. Streaming services you forgot you had. That app you subscribed to once. A gym you haven't visited in 3 months. Most people find $20 to $50 a month of pure zombie subscriptions they don't even use. Cancel them right now, that alone can be a chunk of your weekly target with zero lifestyle change. Second, the big 3, phone, insurance, and internet. These feel fixed, but they're not. Call your phone carrier and ask for a cheaper plan, or switch to a low-cost carrier and save $20, $30, even $50 a month. Shop your car insurance. People routinely save hundreds a year in 15 minutes just by getting a new quote. One afternoon of phone calls can free up more money than a month of skipping lattes. Third, food. Not never eat out again, that's not sustainable. Instead, cut the mindless stuff. Pick 2 nights a week to cook instead of ordering delivery, since delivery fees and tips quietly double the price of a meal. Bring lunch 3 days a week. Small swaps, real money, and you still get to enjoy going out sometimes. Fourth, the 24-hour rule for impulse buys. Before any non-essential purchase, wait 1 day. Most of the time the urge passes, and the money you would have spent goes straight to your $1,000. This one habit protects your progress more than any budget spreadsheet. Add these up, a few cancelled subscriptions, a cheaper phone plan, a couple of home-cooked nights, and you've easily found your $80 a week without feeling deprived. That's the whole point. A plan you hate is a plan you quit. Quick pause, if you're finding this useful, hit subscribe so I can keep making free money guides like this. Alright, the most important step is next. Step 3, where to actually park this money. And please don't skip this, because most people get it wrong and leave real money on the table. Do not keep your emergency fund in your regular checking account, and definitely not as cash at home. In your checking account it earns basically nothing, and worse, it's too easy to spend. The right home for your $1,000 is a high-yield savings account, a HSA. Here's why it's perfect for this goal. First, it's safe. Reputable high-yield savings accounts are FDIC insured up to the legal limits, meaning your money is protected. Second, it's liquid. This is your emergency fund, so you can withdraw it whenever a real emergency hits, usually within a day or two. And third, it actually earns. A high-yield savings account can pay many times more interest than a traditional big bank savings account, which often pays almost nothing. Your money grows while it sits there waiting for a rainy day. This is exactly where accounts like Ally or CIT Bank shine. They're online high-yield savings accounts that are FDIC insured, have no monthly maintenance fees, and no minimum to worry about, and they pay far more interest than the big traditional banks. Opening one takes about 5 minutes from your phone. I'll put a link in the description. If you don't already have a separate high-yield account for this fund, that's your literal next step after this video. Move your savings somewhere it's protected, out of easy reach, and quietly earning. That's how your first $1,000 does double duty, it protects you and it grows at the same time. Let's lock it in. Step 1, build the 3-account system and automate a transfer of about $80 a week the day after payday, pay yourself first. Step 2, find that money painlessly by killing zombie subscriptions, negotiating your phone and insurance, cooking a couple extra nights, and using the 24-hour rule on impulse buys. Step 3, park it in a high-yield savings account so it stays safe, stays liquid, and actually grows. Do those 3 things for 90 days and you'll have your first $1,000, and you'll have joined the minority of Americans who are actually ready for life's surprises. So here's my challenge to you, tell me in the comments, what's the very first thing you're going to cut this week to hit your $80? Name it right now. Committing out loud makes it real, and I love cheering you on down there. If you don't have a high-yield savings account yet, set one up today. I've dropped links to the Ally and CIT accounts in the description, they're FDIC insured, take 5 minutes, and there's no fee to start. That's step 1 done before you even close this video. Subscribe and I'll walk you through what to do once your emergency fund is full, because this is just the beginning. Remember, this is education, not personalized financial advice. Now go start your 90 days. I'll see you in the next one.